Bitcoin is currently more oversold than it has been since August of 2023. Looking at this one indicator, the relative strength indicator, the RSI right here, is in totally oversold territory, but with a reading of 22.56 here. If you just put your cursor on the screen, you'll be able to figure out what levels this purple and yellow line are at. And we haven't seen this, like I said, since the middle of 2023, which you can see right over here, August 18th, at 18, a little bit lower. This marked basically the bottom. Not exactly the bottom. We actually, in fact, went a little bit lower and just consolidated for essentially a month until we finally started building some higher lows here. Now, I'm not saying that that's going to happen right now. I'm not saying that a bottom is in, but as we get our bottom indicators beginning to flash that, hey, we're getting about as oversold as we possibly could, I'll continue to report that here. With the Japanese carry trade still being a pretty damn big problem and there being an overall liquidity crisis across the global banking and financial sector right now, caused by the quantitative tightening policies of the Fed over the past year and a half or so, I imagine we're going to see some forms of stimulus moving forward. When those get announced, I'm not quite sure, but when they do, that'll be when we really start to see the market rebound. In the meantime, we'll be keeping our eyes open for, at the very least, short-term bounces.